Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I want to talk about this product that I reviewed last time. If you guys remember, it's been a while. And one of you guys in the comment section mentioned that I have not did an update video for this product. So here is the update video for this product right here. So if you guys can see, it's by the brand Fairywill. And pretty much what it is a water flosser that you can use to floss your teeth instead of using like the manual flosser to floss it. So a couple of things that I have to say about this product as an update is that obviously it works really well, and thanks to one of you guys who mentioned how I was using it, I was actually using it wrong, and that's why like all the waters when I was using it sprayed all over the place. So pretty much when you guys use this product, you guys don't want to open your mouth. You guys want to make sure your mouth is closed when you guys use the water flosser to floss it. So when I use it every day now for like the past 5 months after that comment that one of you guys mentioned, it's been working really nice. No water flies everywhere except for inside my mouth. So just keep your mouth shut when you guys put this on. So let me show you guys what I mean really quick. So right here we have the flosser that I was talking about. So all the settings on here are still the same. Everything works really well. Depending on what you guys want, you guys have a normal, soft, or the pulse one, depending on what you guys can handle. So all you have to do is turn on the on button when you guys are using it. So the first thing you guys want to do is put this inside your mouth and wherever you guys want to like floss it. So you guys want to floss it like right here. Then you want to make sure the mouth is closed like this. And then when you guys are done, spit out the water, and then you guys should be able to have like cleaner teeth, and you shouldn't see any more stuff between the gaps of your teeth. So the flosser does work, and it's actually really good. I've been using the normal one, not the soft one, because the normal one has a little bit more power than the soft one, so it actually cleans off any of the stuff that's stuck in between your teeth. The noise level of this product is obviously loud because if it's a water flosser and using pressure to like wash it off, there's obviously going to be noisy. Like there's no way that it can be like soft or really quiet. So that's one thing to also consider if you guys are concerned about the noise. And probably the last thing that you guys want to know about this product is the waterproof technology or material on here. So it is waterproof. It works really well. Like I got water all over it and didn't damage the product at all because of the material that's on here. So you guys don't have to worry about that. So there's no cover for the part right here. So if you guys want to put like a little cut paper or something like a cover to cover it, then you guys can use that. If you guys don't care, just leave it open and then just wash it or rinse it right before you guys use it every time. So what I've been doing is that I rinsed it inside of the bottle right here and then rinse this part out so there's like no germs or whatever. So you guys want to make sure you guys are healthy and clean. So with that being said, would I say that it's still worth it after 5 months or whenever you guys have seen this video from the update video to now? For me, honestly, I have to say that it's worth it if you guys actually want to get like a water pressure flosser to use. But if you guys want to still use your regular flosser, feel free to use that. But one thing to remember is that this one you guys will be using water to floss it, so you guys don't have to buy anything else other than this product to use for a long time. Whereas flosser, you guys would still have to buy those little flosser to use. But those might be more handy for you guys if you guys just want to just bring it on traveling, just like floss it and go wherever you guys want to. Whereas this is like rechargeable, you guys can put water in here and just floss it. And this one works really well as well. So at the end of the day, it really depends on you as a consumer of what you guys want to use and how you guys want to use it and which one you guys prefer to use, like which method. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little update video about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have